How to become a millionaire in 10 steps. Number 8. Lower your debt levels. Maximizing your income is only one part of the wealth-building equation. The second part is to keep your debts to a manageable level. It is best to keep your total debts to less than 50% of your total income. Most lenders require a debt-to-income rate of 36 to 43% for a home loan, but most borrowers rapidly soar past this level after closing on a home. This doesn't include credit card debts and car loans. Too many people live with debt levels equivalent to their income level. They're barely able to keep their finances afloat, living a paycheck-to-paycheck existence. Your total debts should never exceed more than 50% of your income. This leaves enough money to invest and build the savings cushion. The 50% level means that if you make $5,000 per month, then your total debts cannot exceed $2,500 per month. If your debt level is greater than this, your focus must become paying down your debts. The best way to pay off your debts is to take the debt with the highest interest rate and double up on the minimum payment until it is paid off. After you have paid this debt off, move to the next highest interest rate and pay it off. The lower that your debt level decreases, the higher that your net worth increases. This will allow you the financial freedom to retire quicker.